out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's...
Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing great if you're wondering. Thanks for asking. Today we're going to be installing this wig. A very easy, simple install. If you want to find out all the details about today's wig and glueless install, continue watching.
Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like whoop.
Gluing wigs down, securing it with spray, washing it, taking it off, cleaning off the lace. If you don't like doing any of those things, don't worry, I got you. Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe Hair. They have really high quality wigs. You guys are probably familiar with them too because they're all over my channel. And if you've been here for a while, you know that I love me some Tinashe Hair. Let's just jump into what I have installed because this wig is bomb.com. Today what I have installed is the 24-inch body wave honey blonde black and blonde highlight wig wearing ghost style. It is also made on an HD pre-cut lace.
Me first, you short. All my time been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hold still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.
It's a little bit different. This is a breathable cap, but it looks a bit different than your traditional breathable cap because it has like just a small portion that's breathable. It's pre-cut already, so we should be able to just put it on. Ooh, yep, this is cute. Let's go in with some wax stick. This is a good wax stick. I like to push it away, up and away. So they did all the hard work for us. All we're gonna have to do is just do a little bit of touching up. I do want that wig to lay very flat. If you are a beginner and you're at home and you don't have these tools, like you don't have a wax stick, you can use hair gel and hairspray. The combination of both of those kind of give you the same result. Look at that, it's looking really good. Because I didn't bleach the knots on this wig, I like to go in with some nude tones. And then just, it basically will cover those knots but also widen the part to make it look a bit more realistic. That gives us a natural hairline. Okay, so I'm gonna use my curling iron as if it was a curling one. So I like that it is curled already, but like I said, sometimes you just need to touch it up because it was shipped, you know, and it was sitting in a box. So the curls do tend to get a little bit messed up. But look at that, 2 seconds and you're back to where you started. You guys, I did a TikTok recently. And tell me if this makes sense. Okay, so you know TikTok, you're doing a lot of acting, you're doing some pretending, all that good stuff, right? I was pretending to curl my hair, but I was actually curling my hair in the process of doing the TikTok. So I had this curling iron on, and somebody has the nerve, some troll with no life has the nerve to comment, "It's not even on, why are you doing that?" Like, child, please sit down first of all, because my curling iron was on, and then I'm realizing that I'm in the comment section fighting with a troll. Like, why am I doing that? It was so pointless. You have nothing better to do with your time than to sit and debate me whether or not I'm actually curling my hair if my curling iron is on, even if it's off. It's a TikTok. First of all, it is on. Secondly, because you have so much time on your hands, why don't you pause the video and go see and check. You'll see that it's on. Who would lie about that? Also, guys, I want to talk about since we're on TikTok, can we talk about some of the funniest things I've seen recently? There was like 3 people in this relationship. I'm not gonna mention it because I don't want my video getting flagged, but if you guys know who I'm talking about, the 3 people and then one of the person left and started doing their own thing. I was low-key obsessed with their life. Like, it was so funny and entertaining to me. If you guys know who I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section. And did you pay attention to that? The train wreck that was happening before our very eyes. Also, can we talk about Pinky Doll? I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty shocked. When I saw her on the award show, I was pretty shocked because I also thought she was very light-skinned. Now, people are coming for her because they're saying like she uses a filter. And then some people are saying, oh, it's not a filter, it's just a light. I can turn up my brightness on my camera, look. I can do that, but it looks very fake, right? So usually I do it about that. So let's just, or this. Today we're doing it a little bit darker, but usually I film around this setting. You can tell that I'm kind of like a caramel skin tone. I do have my summer tan, so I'm about 3 shades darker. Even with my camera settings and my ring light and things, you can still see that I'm brown skin, right? Anyways, I just thought it was very funny. In my opinion, I think that she did intentionally use those filters along with ring lights. Now, there are some videos of her like showing a more natural skin tone, but it still looked like it was enhanced with something. It doesn't even matter. Like, none of that is important. Even if she did, good for her. She's making like thousands of dollars per day. I'm not a hater. I'm just saying that's just funny. Like, I don't care anything about it beyond that. But yeah, what are your guys' opinion on that? Things that I would do to this wig, I would definitely bleach the knots. Even though they're really tiny knots, I will bleach the knots on this wig because it's a beautiful wig. And I also will go in and use some purple shampoo. If you use purple shampoo on it, these golden pieces are gonna turn ashy. I love this highlight wig. I love these tones. Like black with highlights, that's my thing. Yeah, that's cute. I'm gonna go in with the tiniest bit of Bio Silk oil. This, just to tame out those frizzies. So I'm really like rubbing it into my skin. I don't want that much on my hair. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. We do have her gluelessly installed, and of course I chose the option that comes pre-plucked. So if you don't want the lace pre-cut, you don't have to get it that way. I guess you can get it where you cut it off yourself, but why would you want to? Why would you want to cut off lace if you don't have to? Like, anything that's going to make my life easier, yes, sign me up. I'm gonna take that offer. I'm gonna take that deal. 5x6 is giving, okay? It's giving natural hairline. It's giving this maybe a frontal and you can't tell. For a glueless wig, I would say definitely can be worn glueless, and you don't even need any lace tint because I did not spray any lace tint on this lace or anything on the lace to make it blend in with my skin. So I would say it's definitely HD. We love that. Sometimes I'm terrified to recurl a body wave wig fresh out of the box because I've had some horrible experiences with that. Sometimes when I try to recurl it, it's so resistant, but not this wig, baby. It is so silky. You can see how silky this wig is. If you get this unit, I'm telling you, put some purple shampoo in a bowl with some warm water or hot water and dunk it in there for a couple seconds and then let it air dry. You're gonna see it's going to be the prettiest ashy blonde highlighted wig you've ever seen with the black strands. Like, yes, sign me up. The highlights are everywhere on this wig. It is very, very beautiful. I would say it has more blonde pieces than black pieces, but the black is placed everywhere you need it. So wherever it's like face framing, it's just done so beautifully. So they did a fantastic job with the color and the highlight. This wig is beautiful, 24-inch. It's almost giving longer than that. We love that. If you guys want to purchase this wig, of course, it's going to be in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's going to be there as well. That is all for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, leave me a thumbs up. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.